to you from Umami Gourmet Coffee and Exotic Tea, and today I'm going to show you how to make this lovely cocktail. It is so good. It's our strawberries and cream cocktail, and you only need these 3 ingredients, and it is bomb, y'all. I'm telling you, it's really good. Stay tuned and I'm going to show you how to make this. Valentine's Day is coming up. Most of us are quarantined, so I wanted to just bring to you some simple cocktails that we can do at home for Valentine's Day or any special occasion that you may want to have a cocktail. So this one is very easy, okay? So we have our strawberries and cream, Bailey strawberries and cream. We have the Monin Orgeat, and I'm gonna use 99 whip, but you can also use a vanilla vodka in this particular recipe. So let's get started. I have my handy shaker here. I do have ice in there. First, we're gonna start with 2 ounces of the Bailey strawberries and cream. And then we need 1.5 ounces of either a whipped vodka or 99 whipped is what I'm using. And then we just need 1/2 ounce of the almond or orgeat syrup. That's all we need. So let's pour this in there. Shake, shake, shake it up. And let's pour. Oh wow, now that's a stiff one. That's a really good one. So this is our strawberries and cream cocktail. It's really easy. I'd like for you to try it out. Comment down below what you think. Did you try it out? You know, how did you like it?